Alright, so I just got finished changing my oil. You've seen me do it before. These are the tools I always use. It's called my third hand, which I put underneath the filter. It sits in there. In fact, I forgot it in there. It's been in there for about 6,000 miles. And I got this Napa wrench that I've always used to back it off. There's the cap. Bought that at Gino's years ago. And then just an old cheap cap to set it in, set the filter in. A cheap socket and a piece of conduit. And something that I never have used before is this 3/4 inch open end. But I'll show you why I used it today, and I didn't use that torque wrench. So I'm gonna have to use these channel locks. This is the way I usually open up my oil cans. It works a lot better on the synthetic for some reason. That's because synthetic's better than dyno oil, I don't know. By the way, this is Mobil Delvac 1300 Super, which is what I always use since 1995 and before. So I'm going to do that. I usually use my hand, but I'm going to use these channel locks because I'm holding the camera. But if you just take this and squeeze it like that, it'll pop a hole in it right there. Didn't quite do it like I like to see it, but good enough. At least you don't leave any stuff behind. Now let me crawl up under this truck and I'm going to show you why I didn't use this torque wrench today. And there's a new oil filter in there that I just installed through the wheel well. That went really smooth. Okay, so today, after having this thing for about 6 or 7 years, I finally decided to install it. It's a little EZ drain valve that I got from Gino's many years ago. And you can see I've got the little cap on it in case the valve would start leaking. I'm not crazy about it, but I'm getting lazy as I get older, so I did install it. How much torque do you put on it? 20 foot-pounds or something, which I'm not crazy about because the standard plug takes 37 or 35, whichever you want to believe, the manual or what's written on the plug. And anyway, but it's a leap of faith, but I'm going to trust it. So far it ain't leaking. So how much torque I put on it, I have no clue. I just tighten the shit out of it. And we'll see how that works. It's got an O-ring on it, so, and then your metal to metal for the, you know, for the actual, what keeps it from backing off. So that's why I say I tighten the shit out of it. Anyway, that's that. I'm gonna put the last quart of oil in it and we're gonna go from there. Thanks for watching my video, and until next time, adios.